it a great honor to welcome all of you to this very imperative workshop targeted at training regional ministers and top management officials of the 6 newly created regions of this country. And this theme is imperative in the pursuit of achieving the President's vision of Ghana Beyond Aid and the role of regional ministers and top management officials of our regional coordinating councils. Therefore, the Regional Coordinating Council, being central in our decentralized local governance process, needs to have the knowledge in the area of public procurement to best offer the district assemblies with the requisite technical support when need be. And this clearly indicates and substantiates this training of all regional ministers for the newly created regions.
Many of our staff too, should I say, were promoted from district coordinating directors to regional coordinating directors. And so it's so important that we have such an exercise.